It is common for PC games to encounter performance issues, and the WWE 2K23 is no exception. So if your copy of WWE 2K23 keeps crashing, here's how to fix it. Now the first thing you should check is your hardware. Here are the minimum requirements you need to run the application on your computer. If your computer fails to fulfill any requirements, you'll have to upgrade your computer to fix the crashing issue. Next, edit its graphical settings. Do that by opening the game, go to the graphics settings, and make sure to copy all of these settings. Now another thing you must check whenever facing a crashing issue is the amount of memory your system is using. And to resolve this, open Task Manager, go to Memory column, look for applications consuming the maximum system memory, right-click on them, then choose End Task. Lastly, update your operating system by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, then click Check for Updates option in the right pane and allow Windows to look for any available update. Now that's how you can fix the WWE 2K23 crashing on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.